Dear live steamers, how can you build a diamond crossing if you do not have a welding machine? I'm going to show you how I have done it. The challenge is with all the intersecting rails. I've used the same system as in the log cabin, where basically one rail is going to be below and the other rail is just crossing above. So I've cut either the lower section of the rail or the upper section, the head, so that one rail can cross above the other one. And I've done that 4 times at all the intersects. It's a lot of work, but if you don't have the welding machine or you don't feel comfortable welding, it's a very good technique, and I wanted to share it with you. If you have any question, please ask them through the comment section. I am happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video.